Hello friends, and welcome to our little home in Costa Rica.
We have had so many requests for us to do another video like this one.
So we decided that it's time for us to do another What We Eat in a Day.
Pura Vida style.
This video and all superfood and packaged products in our recipes today were sponsored by Thrive Market. Thrive Market is an incredible online grocery store that makes healthy living easy and affordable. They carry thousands of non-GMO and natural products at 25 to 50% below retail price. Find everything from vitamins to healthy snacks to supplements and tons of great plant-based options on an easy-to-use website shipped straight to your door. Use our promo link to get 25% off your first order and a 30-day free membership.
So every morning when we wake up, we love starting our day with a very nutritious meal that's going to give us energy for the whole entire day.
So we've decided for this video, it's going to be the Boho Superfood Smoothie Bowl.
So the base of this smoothie bowl today is going to be bananas with pineapple. So we start by first cutting the pineapple.
Once you have your fruit cut and you have usually about a cup of ice, drop it into a blender. For this, we're using a coconut. Now they're very, very easy to find here. They literally grow on trees. So don't be intimidated if you don't have a coconut, just use coconut milk or almond milk.
Or even water.
Or even, that's so true, even water. And you throw that all together as that's your main base for the smoothie bowl and just blend that baby up.
So the superfoods we added today were maca powder, there was spirulina. There's also an incredible mix of greens that we use, which has like algae, wheatgrass. There's lots of great powders like this you can throw in.
And hemp hearts. And that I love that because it's a super amazing plant-based protein. So we put all our superfoods in the blender with all of the base and blend it up for a bit. And if it's not thick enough, add more banana.
So once you got the base, the smoothie base, then this is where the fun part comes. We like to first layer the base of the smoothie bowl with some granola.
For Juliana, this is like an art form.
I love it.
She loves
it. It's so much
So
fun. It's like you're
just
creating a masterpiece out of it. But we like to use some kind of organic, not unsweetened granola. You can find it in your grocery stores as well. So we'll line the bottom with it, and then we'll place all our fruits. So today we're using mangoes and pineapple again. So we line it up. Then you pour the smoothie in. So this is where it fills up. And then you finish it off with very similar structure. So we put more granola in, so that gives it a little bit more of a base for the fruit to sit on. Then you put the fruit. We like to stack and make shapes out of it sometimes. When we have time, we go get creative. We use cacao nibs to place on top for that little bit of a chocolate taste, and then also one of my favorite superfoods, goji berries.
AKA rank raisins.
Oh, they're good. They're so good for you right now.
But to me, they're always going to be rank raisins.
So pretty much that is your smoothie bowl, or as we like to call our masterpiece.
For lunch today, we are going to make the tropical tahini summer rolls,
which are one of my favorites. It's just a great different way to still consume your veggies, but in a different format than just a salad bowl. And these summer rolls are so healthy, it's so good for you, and pretty fast to make. So if you are on the go, you can whip them up. So we're gonna start by cutting up all the veggies first. Now remember, we're gonna cut them lengthwise. So you wanna get your pepper out, your lettuce, your cabbage, avocado, tofu, and let's just start slicing it. And then we also like to add in our mango, which will give it that sweetness and a little flavor of the tropics.
That's why it's tropical, everyone. The last step before assembling is to soak the rice paper. And the thing about the rice paper is you just want to dip it for a second and pull it out as soon as all of it has touched some kind of moisture.
We like to lay it out on top of the rice paper in a nice little method where everything's kind of has its place. And then from there, you roll it up, kind of like a burrito.
A garden fresh
I love calling it that.
burrito.
Garden fresh burrito.
Just like a little baby. Like you're just wrapping it up. Just a little baby that you're gonna eat later, which is really weird.
So weird. Anyways, after you've got your rolls ready, this is where you want to create your dipping sauce. Now we love dipping our summer rolls into our homemade tahini sauce.
Which is not as intimidating as it sounds.
It's really, really easy. And you can actually make it with like 3 ingredients if you want to, but we add a couple of different ones just to make it our own.
So you go and you get your tahini paste, which you can find in almost any grocery store or little food market. So you get your tahini, you get some raw garlic and some lemon.
Some lemon juice into it, and then also we add a little bit of maple syrup just to give it that little bit of sweetness. You don't have to, but that's something we like to do. And then once you got all these ingredients, just throw it into a blender or a food processor and just start blending it up. So that's pretty much it. So you make your tahini sauce, you got your summer rolls, and there you have it. Enjoy your tropical tahini summer roll. For dinner today, we're going to make something really yummy and something that we don't eat too often, but when we do, it's a real treat for us.
So dinner tonight is PURA vegan veggie burgers.
With spicy yam fries. For today's burgers, what we're going to be using are patties that we got from our friend Fabrizio, who owns Love Burger out here in Samara. His burgers are amazing because they're lentil based, they're fully organic, super natural. We are obsessed with them.
Yeah. But the wonderful thing about veggie burgers these days is you can either go online and research, and it's really easy to make your own patties, or you can go to your grocery store, and in 2018 there are so many different options.
It's
so you can have a lot of fun experimenting with the different brands, the ones that taste exactly like meat, or it goes all the way back, swings to the other side of the pendulum where it almost feels like a veggie patty. So it's a lot of fun to have a veggie burger night and really try and make it healthy and try to experiment with the different types that are available. We're using sourdough buns today. We usually use gluten-free, but Juliana actually, she's not even eating a bun today, just to show you guys that it's just as good and just as tasty to have it on a leaf of lettuce and to dress it the same way, almost like an open-faced sandwich.
So let's talk about how we make these incredible PURA vegan burgers.
So preheat your oven to 400 degrees and then chop up those yams, guys.
Now our yams look a little different than North American yams, and we were so confused when we first came to Costa Rica. I was like, this is not a yam because it's kind of purpley, and when you cut it, it's white.
We thought they were yuccas actually for a while. We're like,
but it is yam fries, so don't be confused. We are cutting yam fries here.
And for our fries, we actually kind of make like an oil base for it that's a really nice organic olive oil with some garlic, chopped up minced garlic that will bake really well with it. And we add a little bit of chili powder on top.
Just to give it that spicy kick. Then just cover the pan that has yam fries on it with it and mix it really well so all the potatoes have some dressing on them. And then just stick it in the oven for, I would say, 30 minutes or more. After 30 minutes, I like to start checking it just to try a fry, make sure it's soft, but 30 minutes or more is usually the time you want to give for the yam fries.
For the veggie burgers, we're actually in our frying pan using a little bit of organic coconut oil. And that's just to give it a little bit of that tropical taste, that PURA vegan taste.
Yeah, and then you put the patty on the frying pan. We're also going to be using some pineapple today, so we'll cut a ring of pineapple and put that as well on the pan just to fry it lightly. Don't keep it there for too long. So once you got the patty and the pineapple fried, then we move on to the dressing. So we're going to dress our burger today with guacamole. It's really easy to make your own guacamole at home. All you're gonna do is just take a really ripe avocado, slice it in half, dump the goodness into a bowl, and we like to use some coconut milk, even a little bit of lime as well. We like to squeeze a tiny bit of that just to give it a little bit of a zest, and then just start blending it with a fork to create your guacamole. And then from there, we chop up our tomatoes. For condiments, we're going to be using our tahini sauce that we actually made for lunch. So put that on the bun or the leaf, and then you put your patty on there and then start to dress your burger. And then get your yam fries out, put some fries on the side, and maybe a little more tahini sauce if you like to dip your fries into something. And like Mark would say, it's burger time, or burger party.
I never said either of those. Burger time?
Burger night, that's what it is.
All right, guys, well, there you have it.
This is our what we eat in a day, PURA vegan style. If you'd like to recreate any of these recipes at home, we have included everything that you need to know in the description of this video. So just click the little read below button.
And let us know your tips and tricks to expanding on these recipes, or what worked for you or what didn't.
Go have fun with the recipes, go eat healthy food, enjoy the outdoors, and we'll see you soon.
All right, guys, see you later.
Thanks again, Thrive Market, for sponsoring this video today. Remember, use our promo link to get your free 30-day membership and a 25% off discount.